to create pin in Messenger. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create a pin in Messenger. Creating a pin in Messenger adds an extra layer of security to your account, allowing you to protect your chats and information. Here's how you can do it. First of all, launch your Messenger application on your mobile device, and at the top you will find 3 horizontal lines. Click on those 3 horizontal lines and then you will access some menu. From the menu, next to your profile name, you will find settings option. Click on this settings icon right here and then it will take you to this page. Or scroll down and under preferences you'll find privacy and safety option. Click on this option and now once you reach here, scroll all the way down and at the very bottom you will find security, and under security you will find end-to-end encrypted chats. Click on this option and again you will be presented with 3 more options. Here click on message storage and here you will find turn on secure storage option. Click on this option to set up your PIN. Here you will find 3 more options again. Here make sure you select the first one that says create 6-digit PIN. You can use this PIN to access chat history on any other mobile device or computer. Now select this option and click on this continue button at the bottom. Once you click on it, you will have to set up 6-digit PIN. Once you enter the PIN, again you will have to enter it to confirm. Enter it again. Once you enter the PIN, it will start loading. And once you have set up this PIN, Messenger will require you to enter your PIN whenever you open the app, adding an extra layer of security to your conversations and account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.